our new edition, we will talk about a young and dynamic leader who is contesting election from Balikuda Erasama Bhuvneshwar seat. Support and sympathy for Satya Sarathi Mohanty in Balikuda Erasama Bhuvneshwar. Satya Sarathi Mohanty, the Bharatiya Janata Party's candidate in the Balikuda Erasama Assembly constituency, is experiencing widespread support and overwhelming sympathy from the community. Satya Sarathi brings a fresh perspective to electoral politics, characterized by his brand new personality and impeccable reputation. As a proud son of the soil, Satya Sarathi has achieved remarkable success as an entrepreneur in Gurugram within the National Capital Region, earning him immense credibility and trust among constituents. Satya Sarathi Mohanty's entry into politics has been welcomed with enthusiasm owing to his clean image and deep roots in the community. His entrepreneurial accomplishments highlight his determination and capability, making him a promising candidate for representing the interests of Balikuda Erasama. The positive reception and support for Satya Sarathi Mohanty underscore the hope and aspirations of the electorate for progressive and principled leadership in the constituency. Now, we will talk about the Satya Sarathi Mohanty's dynamic leadership in Balikuda Erasama. As a young, energetic, and dynamic youth leader, Satya Sarathi Mohanty has embarked on a mission to catalyze skill development, self-employment, and entrepreneurship in the Balikuda Erasama constituency. His participatory leadership style is focused on fostering inclusive socio-economic well-being through grassroots reforms. Over the past 6 months, Satya Sarathi Mohanty has achieved remarkable success in nurturing the Balikuda Erasama constituency. He has established direct communication with individual voters at a personal level, building a robust organizational structure for the party. His efforts have led to a massive expansion of the party, with thousands of youth and women activists joining the cause. One notable initiative is the Meri Mati Mera Gaon Jan Survey, a technological driven survey aimed at identifying the genuine grievances of constituents and exploring the potential solutions. This survey underscores Satya Sarathi Mohanty's commitment to data driven governance and responsive leadership. The local community has widely appreciated Satya Sarathi Mohanty's approach, which emphasizes grassroots engagement, innovative solutions, and inclusive development strategies. His leadership is seen as a beacon of hope for addressing key challenges and driving positive change in Balikuda Erasama. Satya Sarathi Mohanty's commitment to research-based politics and innovative technology-driven advancements has positioned him as a beacon of development in the Balikuda Erasama locality. In a recent media interaction, Sri Mohanty highlighted the pervasive issue of large-scale corruption hindering the welfare of Balikuda Erasama. He emphasized the pressing challenges faced by the constituency, including acute unemployment among youth, underpaid farmers due to outdated farming practices, limited access to modern farming techniques and equipment, inadequate marketing facilities, absence of cold storage infrastructure, and insufficient irrigation systems. Furthermore, Sri Mohanty addressed the deficiencies in the elementary education system, advocating for skill-oriented academic facilities to uplift the educational landscape. After being elected as a MLA, Satya Sarathi Mohanty's foremost priority will be to tackle these critical issues head-on, ensuring tangible progress and prosperity for the people of Balikuda Erasama. Satya Sarathi Mohanty's visionary leadership is poised to usher in a new era of development, leveraging research-based policies and technological innovations to drive inclusive growth and empowerment in the constituency. Satyasarathi Mohanty, seen as a beacon of hope for the people of Balikuda Erasama, excluding confidence in his ability to fulfill the hopes and aspirations of the common voters. Sri Satyasarathi Mohanty has declared that his doors will be open 24/7 for the residents of Balikuda Erasama. His unwavering commitment to accessibility underscores his dedication to serving the people. Engaged in a relentless campaign schedule from early morning to late night, Satya's popularity has been soaring with each passing day. Pollsters are observing a significant shift in the political landscape of Balikuda Erasama, traditionally known as stronghold of the Biju Janata Dal. This election cycle represents a unique opportunity. The lethal combination of Satya's pro-people personality and Prime Minister Modi's resounding wave of change and the electorate's yearning for a double-engine government could tilt the political equation in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This anticipated electoral change resonates deeply with the aspirations of the people in the sacred abode of Lord Mahavir. Satyasarathi Mohanty's emergence as a beacon of hope symbolizes a new era of inclusive governance and transformative leadership for the people of Balikuda Erasama constituency.